Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into it here, we called this pump almost exactly. So diving right into the charts here, we'll take a look at Bitcoin. We did not touch this chart, guys. We did not touch this chart at all since the last video. And remember, that last video was supposed to be about Cardano. We ended up talking about Bitcoin. So taking a look here at this pattern that we called almost perfectly, because we said that neckline had to be broken to make this inverted head and shoulders valid. Okay, and we left this on, and we looked back on it today right before we start recording this video, and the line that we made is spot on. No one else did this. Okay, and you know, I'm humbled for everyone's messages. I'm humbled for the love. Thank you. But it shows you the consistency with high time frame, basic, simple technical analysis. Now, what does this mean? Let's dive in. Looking at the markets here. Crypto fear greed at 70, guys. We said best time to accumulate is when we're yellow, orange, and red. If you did so, you would be up. You would be up in almost every top 10 project, okay? And to be honest with you, almost every project within the top looks like 50, okay? If you would have followed just that alone, that mindset shift that we talked about with accumulating when people are fearful, accumulating when this fear greed index is yellow, orange, or red, pretty much when people are selling, you would be up, okay? So diving in, I know you guys are going to get a lot of questions about this TA. What do we do? How do we do it? Looking at the daily time frame, we saw inverted head and shoulders. Okay, we put this line here because we said this neckline needs to be broken. The reason why we drew this other shoulder up here is because that's where the next level of support was. Okay, this is where we're at. So that's how we were able to do this. Now we'll finally move this off to clear up and kind of give an analysis on what's to come. I know that's going to be the big question. So let's dive in to what's to come with looking at Bitcoin from a TA standpoint. Okay, so we cleared the neckline. What's next? Okay, in a healthy market, okay, we would reach this zone, this is where we're at. Okay, and going to the weekly time frame, this shows. Now we should make a new all-time high. Now, the only caveat to this, and I'm going to say it, it's not going to be popular. The only caveat to this is this stochastic is showing a divergence signal, okay? Because we see how this channel is going down on the weekly, okay? And everything's going up. That is divergence there. So I just want everyone to be cautious when you're looking at this price action, okay? There's going to be FOMO, okay? The next thing that we need to happen is a break off top, which would be making a new high, which would be clearing this all-time high point, okay? That's what needs to happen. That does not happen. Remember we talked about this divergence pattern forming on the weekly stochastic, okay? On the daily, you don't see it as much. You see it a little bit with it being overbought, okay? In this whole overbought area. But we didn't clear yet. We need to clear this level for pretty much everything to be confirmed as new all-time highs and a continued bull market. Okay, so that's not going to be a popular opinion. Okay, no one's going to say this. Everyone's say the bull market's here. Let's go and be a part of the FOMO. Okay, I'm going to say be careful. Okay, and for us, it doesn't really make a difference because you guys know our stance. We're not buying right now. Okay, we spent the buying when we were yellow, orange, and red. That's when we bought. Okay. Anything after this green, we don't buy. This is selling territory. Okay. So we're good either way. Like, we're good. It's not financial advice. Just what we're doing. That's what's gonna pretty much help us and protect us from being caught with our pants down, right? So we're gonna sit and wait and see what we do at this level of resistance right here. Okay, with this level of resistance, are we going to clear it, or are we going to respect it and bounce off? Okay, that's what we're waiting for. And if we do clear it, you guys know the FOMO is going to come in. This crypto fear greed index is going to go crazy. You're going to see probably 80 numbers that we haven't seen before. So definitely pay attention to that, and we will be here to document and be along for the journey, guys. But that's what we're looking like when we look at Bitcoin. Yes, our TA was spot on the daily time frame. Okay, the inverted head and shoulders, we cleared the neckline, and our shoulder reached up to the next level of resistance. Okay, so that's that. Now the next point is what happens now. We're going to clear this level of resistance, which happens to be about 72.6 in this range. You know what it is. You can see it on the charts. Okay, are we going to clear this level, make a new all-time high, or are we going to respect that and bounce down? The weekly is showing a bit of divergence, so be careful. Okay, be careful, be alert, and remember, times like this are when legends are made. Times like this is when you are able to take and reap the benefits of all the discipline you've had over this time. Okay, so have the patience, have the discipline, have an exit strategy. And guys, hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.